Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify data for headless no-code store builds, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left of the screen. Select Plans and Permissions from the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Export option under the Accounts section. Click on Export to download a CSV file of your products. Choose the format for your export. You can select all products, current page, or selected products. Hit the Export Products button to start the download. After exporting your products, move on to your customer data. Return to the Shopify admin panel and select Customers from the left sidebar. Click on the Export button on the Customers page. Choose whether to export all customers or only selected ones. Once you've made your selection, click on Export Customers to download the file. Next, back up your orders and transactions. Go to the Orders section from the left menu. Click the Export button at the top of the Orders page. Select the time frame for the orders you wish to back up. Click Export Orders to begin the download process. Now, proceed to back up your themes. In the Admin panel, select Online Store then Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click on an Actions drop-down. Select Download Theme File to save a copy of your theme. For app data, check each installed app for backup options. Some apps may allow you to export data directly from their settings. Next, take screenshots of your store settings for reference. Capture important settings such as shipping, taxes, and payment gateways. Consider using a note-taking app to compile any essential information. Finally, organize all downloaded files into a structured folder on your computer. Label the folder clearly, such as Shopify Backup, Date. Ensure all important data has been captured and stored securely. Regularly repeat this backup process to keep your data updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.